Unse dunse munkayam. Unse dunse munkaya. Unse. Okay, I should stop talking like this just because my Spanish teacher told me to. Yeah, I shall stop now. Okay, hi everybody, it's Jason again. And oh yeah, and almost I forgot to tell you something. You know how I'm running for president? My principal said that we can pick like helpers, and you know that guy named John Durand? Yeah, he's my helper. And I'm versing someone, his name is Joey, and his partner's name is Suds. How he got that name is he always likes to take a bath, so that's a bubble bath, and he always likes to do that, so that's how he got his nickname Suds. Yeah. Oh yeah, and guys, you know that last video with the scooter thing? I tried to ride it 5 times, and guess how much times I fell? 5 times, so I think I'm really gonna be good at it. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be Halloween soon. Well, not today. So, yeah, I think, I have some pretty cool costumes. Yeah. Okay, so, oh yeah, and I'm still grounded from when I got my test failed, so I don't think I'm really that good, so. Oh yeah, and guys, guess what? My parents got this freshener for me in my room. Here, look at it. What do they think I am, 2? They're so weird. Oh yeah, and guys, guess what? Since I'm grounded, I brought a little refreshments to my room. Here's one. Coke. And look, I'm almost finished with it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. You know, watch a little TV, playing the Wii downstairs when I'm home alone. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Okay, bye.